Hello friends, Nagina Sharma welcomes you in our YouTube channel Bocado Garden. Today I am going to share video on cow dung cake liquid fertilizer in English. Hindi version is already available.
On behalf of Bocaro Garden, please find English version of cow dung cake liquid fertilizer. The cow dung cake can be used for number 1 cooking purposes, fertilizer, and as can be used as pesticide. This cow dung cake contains nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, iron, sulfur, magnesium, copper, and many healthy nutrients for growth of plants. Discuss the process of making this. Now take 2 or 3 pieces of cake and break it into smaller pieces, even smaller than this, like this. Go on breaking. So 2 or 3 pieces of cake has been crushed into smaller pieces and put in a pot. Now we will pour water in this pot. The amount of water should be such that the cow dung portion or pieces are fully submerged. Let the solution of water and cake rest for 24 to 48 hours, and the pot should be covered. After 48 hours, the cake solid portion has settled down and the water has come up. Now what will we do? That the watery portion is to be poured in another container like this. Solid pieces is not to go there. So friends, the liquid fertilizer is now ready. Now it can be used in flowering plants, vegetable plants, fruit plants, etc. The fertilizer is to be used in roots of the plant, and amount of fertilizer should be 150 ml to 250 ml per plant, and at an interval of 10 to 15 days. This is about 150 milliliter of liquid fertilizer. Now I am putting it in a tomato plant and putting it in the root, and we will leave it for another 10 days. Another 10 days we will apply again. Now we will go to the next. The settled portion of the dung is to be further broken through hand and leave it for next 10 days. Then continue the process, again break it such that it becomes powdered like this. And when it comes to the powdered form, what you do, make a mixture of the powdered form like this, contains many nutrients and microorganisms. Here made in this powdered form can be directly used. Per plant it can be used as 150 milligram to 250 milligrams, and this is very useful. This contains good nutrients and it has microorganisms, so it will benefit your plant very much. Now the powdered form of cow dung cake just made it can be directly used, and another way is to prepare a mixture, say 2 cups of this powdered form of cow dung and 1 cup of similar cup of sand and 1 cup of natural soil. Now mix it. This soil mix just now prepared can be used for seedlings from seed, succulent plants, cactus plants, etc. Cuttings. This mixed soil is to be used for making seedlings. Now we have taken coriander seeds for making seedlings. What we will do, that we will pour this, sprinkle like this. Now the seed is to be covered with the same soil like this. So this pot will be put in another pot and the water will be poured below this pot in the another pot. So there is a hole in between, and it will take the water from that side. That is all for this video. Hope you will like, comment and subscribe if not done it this video. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Goodbye.